Morning, folks. Welcome back to the ranch. I brought Sabra and Everett with me today, and of course Daisy. But we're going to do a few chores today. One, we're going to clean up some of our sawdust. I have since learned from some helpful folks that oak sawdust is actually kind of valuable. People smoke with it. People smoke their meat, like barbecue smokers. There's a lot of people that make whiskey with it, flavor their whiskey, and mushroom growers and a bunch of other stuff. So we're going to vacuum up a bunch of sawdust and try to save it. I ordered one of those caps to go on the planer. It won't be here till next week sometime, but anyway, it is Friday. What is it, June 1st?
No.
Okay, end of May, 1st of June, something like that.
Yeah, it's like May 20th. Yeah, it's like the end of May.
It's the end of May.
It's the end of May.
It's a Friday.
Yeah.
I can't come down tomorrow or a normal day on Saturday because just church things going on. But I bought a submersible pump and we've already put it in. And we're gonna pump water out and see if we can ever get the water level to drop with full blast on water. It's supposed to be 1,600 gallons an hour, 26 gallons per minute, something like that. I don't remember, but if it can flow that pump continuously forever, then we don't need to go any deeper with our well. We're good. So I got the generator on the truck, or the inverter in the truck going, power in the well, and it's pumping. We'll walk over there in just a second and show you the flow that we've got. But anyway, y'all come along. So how long has that been running, Sabra? About 10 minutes?
5 to 10 minutes.
No, it's been longer than 5. I bet it's been 10, 15 at least.
Yeah.
And our water level dropped about 6 inches in there. Let's walk over here and look. Looking at it from here, our water level might have dropped 8 inches. But it has not moved in quite a while now. If it's moving very slowly. When we started, it was just over that little hump. You can see a piece of stick down there. The stick right there. And that's where it was about 10 or 15 minutes ago. So we're just gonna let it pump for a while and see if it ever completely drops it.
Yeah.
Woohoo!
All we have left are the big bags.
Okay, we'll put through. There you go, see?
Oh.
What are y'all doing?
We're laying on the bedding.
Laying on the bedding. Just because Daisy lays in the sawdust does not mean that y'all should lay in the sawdust. What about the ants and spiders and ticks? You think there's any ants and spiders and ticks in there?
I think there's ticks.
Well, not anymore.
I think there's termites.
There you go, Everett. Way to fart. Fart and kill everything. That's my boy. Raised him on milk and magnesia. Raised him on milk and magnesia. Ain't he the shits?
He's a poopy baby.
Oh, no.
I don't know. You're pretty poopy yourself.
Everett was the poopy baby.
Okay. All right. Let's.
Well, at least it was when I was a baby.
You pooped.
I don't know. You're still pretty poopy. I walked by the bathroom after both of you gone. Okay.
I walked by the bathroom after you've gone before.
Yep. Everett, I don't know if that's the best place in the world to take a nap.
It's soft now.
Okay. Daisy, you were smart enough to move. Everett, I told you not to lay there.
Yeah, I figured. Why did you turn the stuff on? Oh, that's awful. Oh. Oh gosh.
Careful when you take a nap, son.
Oh, you didn't have to turn it on.
Well, Sabra, come look. It's 1 o'clock. It took 4 hours of the water running. We finally sucked all the water out of it. Yeah. So the pump can barely keep up with what's down there. Every once in a while it sucks some air.
There's little waterfalls.
Yeah. Little waterfalls coming out of the wall are pretty cool. So it took it 4 hours to get to that point. The pump in full blast. I think that'll be enough water for us, at least for a while. If it gets any worse, then we'll dig it out some more. But if we get a windmill going, the windmill won't pump that fast. So anyway, we'll have this little storage tank. What are you doing getting dirt in our water well?
It was an accident.
Oh my gosh.
That dirt is very...
Super happy. Well folks, I think we're done with wood today. My camera here on the pole that takes pictures of people coming in and out of the gate has quit sending me pictures, so I'm just going to check on it. But all of our feet hurt. We're just tired, so I think it's about 4 o'clock. But I think we're just going to head home. Just wanted to check on this. It looks good. It looks fine. I updated everything, and then all the cameras went crazy. They're all doing weird stuff. So that's it, folks. I think we're gonna head home. Y'all have a blessed day. I don't know when we'll be back. I think this weekend we have a couple of church meetings with Chrysalis, and then 2 Chrysalises in a row coming up, and a walk to Emmaus right after that. My wife wants to go back to Salt Lake for her class reunion. Anyway, it's gonna be a busy summer, but that's what summers are for. Stay busy, do all the things. Kids are out of school. I'm sure glad that they came down and helped me out today. I'm just tired. It's been a long day already. I think we got up at 6. So y'all have a blessed evening. We'll see you next time.